So welcome to this engineering graphics class. So today's class will have a demo class on so that is a projection of planes. So this was the first problem on equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side lies with one of its edges on HP such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. So draw the projection. So this was the first problem. So we will try to execute this problem on a computer. So we will open the solid edge, we will click on drawing. So in the very beginning classes I have taught you how to do the sheet setup. So once you open, by default it will be in A2 size. So take the cursor, keep it on sheet 1, right click, go to sheet setup. So you can find that it's by default it's A2 size. So make it A4 and deactivate this background, click OK. Then after that, click on the fit screen option. So you have a fit screen option over here, that is so where do you have this fit screen option? So in which bar it is available? It should be available in main bar. So some of the options are hidden over here. So you can see over here fit screen option. So click on this fit screen option. So now your sheet is ready in A4 size. So to start with, so first we will go for construction of line. So line, click on line command. Take the thickness, click on thickness as 0.13. So construct a line of XY line and then use the text command. So where do you find text command? You find it in drawing view bar. This is a drawing view bar. So here you find it text command. Text command. So label that with VP by HP. And then this is your XY line. Then after that, so we have to consider equilateral triangle of 25 mm side. So for that, by computer method. So by computer method, just adjust my logo first over here. Okay. For better clarity, I have just made all the commands on the screen. So we'll go for line command. So thickness should be 0.5. So go for normal construction of triangle of 25 mm side. I will consider line AB 25 mm. So enter the length 25 mm, then click enter. Then give the first angle as 0 degree. Then again next 25 mm, next angle is 120 degree. Then again join the line. So after that go for rotate command and get it in edge resting position. So where do you find rotate command? You find it under drawing command. And find here rotate command. So select this triangular lamina. So select the end point and go for rotate. So go for rotate without copy. So once you click it, you can find over here. So this is the symbol, rotate with and without copy. So here if it is purple color, it is copy. If it is white color, click. If it is white color, it is rotate without copy. So select this triangular lamina, click the end point of the base and then rotate. And after that go for move command without copy, move command without copy. Select this triangular lamina and then move it to position. So this is the first top view of the problem. Then click on the line command, type the thickness as 0.13 minimum, click on the end point, so draw a 90-degree line. Instead a 90-degree line. Then again from here 90-degree line, then click over here, then increase the thickness, make it 0.5 and then join it. So this is the top view of the lamina. I'll just zoom this part. So using the zoom command, I'll zoom this part and extend out. So next, using text command, click on text command. So type this as, click over here, type this as A, B, C, then here it is A dash and a bracket, it is our small bracket, so A dash, then B dash, and here it is C dash. So after typing, you can just hold this. We can position to the required position. We can place it to the required position. So this is a labeling I have done ABC. We can position to the required. So this is the first top view and first front view of the lamina in the basic resting position. So the next step is HP angle is given 60 degree to HP. So the next step is go for move command with copy option. Move command with copy option, select on front view. Take this and align it over here. So place it on XY line. Rotate command without copy. Click on the front view, click on the end point. So you can see that there are three types of angles over here: step angle, rotation angle, position angle. So just if you take it in anti-clock direction, so see which angle is increasing. Rotation angle and position angle are increasing. So type it as 60 degree. Give the rotation angle as 60 and then click on enter button. Then click. So you can see that. So I'll repeat, without copy, click at the end point. You're not able to hear my audio? Are you not able to hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? No? Please increase your volume, increase your phone, and if possible, put your headphone. Can you hear? Shall I proceed? So the next step is check the angle. To check the angle, so next step, 1 second. So check the angle whether it's 60 degree or not. So for that, you should go for angle between command. So angle between command, where do you find? You find here. So on angle between, so click on this XY line and this line. So you can see that it's a 60 degree angle. Then after that, draw the projection line from the front view. So make it 0.13. So from the front view, draw the projection line minus 90 degree. So just draw it downward. And then one more line from here. So minus 90 degree. Draw it over here. Then again, projection line from the top view. Then projection line from the point 3. Then projection line from the point B. So then after that, you can see that locus of A and locus of A dash. On labeling, you can just make use of move command. You need not type it separately, just click over here, go for move command. So where do you have move command? So you have move command. So click on the move command. So move command, it comes under drawing view bar, drawing bar. So you can see over here. So click on move command, move with, so move with copy. It's already selected. Just move it and place it over here. Then again click on this dash. So click on move command with copy. Do it over here. So you can just make move command with copy option. You need not label all the views. Once you label it, the first top view and first front view, you can use the same text. You can copy paste. You can use the move command with copy option, and you can move to the required position. That you can do it at the end of the problem. So now, so just see the locus of A and locus of A dash. Click on the line. So give the thickness as 0.5. So this is the position. Then again, this is the second point, then third point, then first point. Then after that, you can go for trim command. So you have trim command over here. Click on trim command. So just click over here. So just trim all this. Then the same thing, whatever you have copied, you have use this. Either you can use text command and label it, or you can use the move command and label it. So this is the second position. And in the third step, so the resting edge. So the resting edge AB is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to VP. So for that, we'll consider 60 degree line. We'll consider the thin line 60 degree. So here, since the 60 degree line, it should be in fourth quadrant. So you can see that the angle, you should type it as minus 60. The angle is typed as minus 60. Then click over here. Then check out the angle using angle between command. Click on angle between command. Click on the XY line and then 60-degree line. So this is 60 degree to VP. So what you have to do, you should go for move command. Move command with copy. Move command with copy. Select this triangular lamina. Then after that, move this and align that corner A on 60-degree line. Then again go for rotate copy. Rotate command without copy. Select this triangular lamina. Then after that, select this corner A and corner B. Align it on the 60-degree line. So now I have placed this corner, that is the resting edge AB on 60-degree to VP. So I have tilted the lamina with resting edge AB on 60-degree to VP. Then after that, draw the projection line to get the last front view. Then click on the consider a 90-degree line. So project it upward. Then again one more line over here. So from the corner B, another 90-degree line. Type the angle as 90. Then again construct. Then again third line from here. So it's a 90-degree. Construct it on the top. Then after line from the front view. Now see the point of locus. So this is A. So A. This is C. And this is B. So first point of locus is locus of A and locus of A dash. So this will be our first point. So click on line. Go for 0.5. So first point will be this. This will. Then after that B dash. This will be a B dash. Then after that this will be a C dash. Then join it. After joining, trim the unwanted lines. Click on trim command. So trim command we have over here. So click this line. Trim all the unwanted lines. So then label them with A dash, B dash and C dash. So this is the end of problem. So this is problem number 1. So any doubt? Any doubt? So we'll just click on fit screen. So it's a very small data. The dimension is very small, 25 mm. So I have zoomed this and I have done this. So though it's in A4 size, but the dimension is very small. So therefore, I have zoomed this part using this zoom command. So I have constructed this drawing using zoom command. So by zooming this, you can solve. Shall I proceed to the next problem? Any doubt in this problem? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Please respond. If you can hear my voice, please respond. Shall I proceed to next problem? Hello. Someone or some of you please respond. So that I should come to know whether you are listening or not. How should I come to know if you don't respond? Whether the network is getting connected or not. Okay, so we'll proceed with next problem. The next problem is on square. So problem number 8. So problem number 8. A square lamina of 40 mm side rests on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 30 degree to HP and the side on which it rests makes 45 degree to. So this is a problem. So the first top view is a square lamina with edge resting condition. And then HP angle is given and VP angle are given. HP angle is 30 degree and VP angle is 45 degree. So the VP angle 45 degree is made with reference to the resting edge AD. So to proceed, so we'll right click over here, we'll insert one sheet. As usual, we do the sheet setup, make it A, and then click on width. So we'll click on fit screw. So these are the three types of bars which should be available. So before the lockdown of the class, I had explained to you all this. So this is the main bar, and this is drawing view bar, and this is drawing bar. These three types of bars. In the main bar, you find fit command, zoom command, and then copy, paste, cut, print, save, open, new. All this you find it in main bar. Drawing view bar, you find command, and then smart dimension, then distance between, angle between, and then leader command, and then text command. These are the commands you find in drawing view bar. And then in line command, point command, and then here a curve command, tangent. So tangent arc by 3 points, then here this command, and then rectangle, fillet, trim, and then offset command, then circular pattern and rectangular pattern, and here you find move command and rotate command and scale command. So all these commands also I have shown you in the very beginning classes. I hope so. So you should be well aware of these three types of bars. If you are unable to view the bars, if some of the bars are deactivated, click on this view button, click on view, click on bars, click on again toolbar. So here you can see that. So main bar, drawing view bar, drawing bar, relationship bar, all are activated. So ensure the main bar, drawing view and drawing bar activated. So we'll proceed with the next problem, square lamina. So first we'll consider the XY. So click on line command, make it 0.13. So select the. So your XY line should be minimum, should be 0.13. All your views should be 0.15. Your XY line should be 0.13 and your views, top view, front view, all the views of the lamina should be 0.5. So how to consider square? Square by edge resting position. Go ahead with the simple angle method. Click on line, select 0.5 thickness. So the square lamina is 40 mm. Type 40 length, angle 40. Then again 40, next angle is 90. Then again 40, next angle is 180 degree. Then again 40, next angle is minus 90. So in this sector is square. Then after that, so decrease the thickness, draw the projection line, so 90 degree line to get the front view. Increase the thickness 0.5 and then join it. So this is the front view and top view of the lamina. So use the text command, label them with A, B, C, D, A dash, B dash, C dash, and E dash as usual. Label the XY line and mention it as VP by HP as I have shown in the previous problem. Then after that, HP angle, the lamina is inclined at 30 degree to. So the next step, I'll just zoom this part. Zoom this part and I'll explain. So in computer drawing, you need not measure the line, you need not construct 30 degree line, measure the dimension of the front view, cut and arc. Manual method you should not follow. So make use of move command and rotate command. So go for move command with copy, you can see over here. Move command with copy. So click on the front view of the lamina, then drag it and then place it on XY line. And after that, go for rotate command. Copy without copy. You can see that it's the right color. Rotate without copy. Click on the front view, then click on the left end and right end. Type the rotate, give the rotation angle as 30 degree and enter, and then click. So check for the angle. So to check for the angle, so make angle command. This is the angle command. Click on the XY line and then this line. Check for the angle. So it's showing 30 degrees. Then after that, to get the shape lamina, the line command. Then give the thickness as 0.13. So click over here. Draw the 90 degree line. So projection line from the top view. Then after that, increase the thickness 0.5 and then get the irregular shape lamina. So first one, then second point. Others, the same thing what we can do. So okay, the same thing and read. So better to redraw it. So 0.5. First point. Okay. So this is the irregular lamina. So in the next step, so the resting edge is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to VP. So in the next step, consider 45 degree line in anti-clock direction. Click on line command. Thickness as 0.13. Consider 45 in anti-clock direction. That is, it will come in third quadrant. So it will be 180 minus 45. So it will be 135. So it will be, the angle will be minus 135. So if you type minus 135, you will get 45 degree line. You can check for the angle. Click on angle between command. So click on the XY line and this line. Check for the angle. So it's a 45 degrees. So 45 degree to VP. Then after that, go for move command. Copy. Move command with copy. Select this irregular lamina. Then select the corner D on this 45 degree line. Then go for rotate command without copy. Select this top view of the lamina. Select this line DA and then place it on this 45 degree line. Then after that, draw the projection line. So projection lines are drawn from all the four corners of the square lamina, and then again projection line from here. Then study the locus point. So your point of locus you have to study. So which one is one and second one? So this is A. Then this is your B. This is C. This is D. Then after that, so here it is A dash and D dash, it is A dash and D dash, and here you find it C dash and B dash. So your first point of locus, so click on line 0.5. So your first locus point, it will start from here. Then your second B dash. So B dash, it will so this is of B and this is the locus of B. So this point. You can zoom this part up, or else you trim this part. First point, second point, and then third one. What you can do better, you trim this unwanted part. Go click on the trim command. The first point is this A. Click over. Second is B. Then third one is C. Then finally it comes to your D. So click on the line. So first A dash, then B dash, then C dash, because of C and because of D dash. Then again after that last one is D dash. And then D dash to A dash. After that print this in the line, unwanted line. So this is the final view of the square lamina. So any doubt on this problem? So labeling as usual as we have to do it. So using have to label all those problems with the alphabets A, B, C. Shall I proceed to next problem? Any doubt in this problem? This is a problem on square lamina. A square of 40 mm with one of its side AD. It is inclined, the surface of the lamina is inclined 30 degree to VP and the resting edge AD is inclined 45 degree to HP. So any doubt? Any doubt? No doubts? Shall I proceed to next problem? Shall I proceed to next problem? Shall I proceed to next problem? No doubt. Yes, no doubt. Shall I proceed to next problem? So your next problem. So we'll wind up class today. So today's class will wind up. So tomorrow we'll continue the rest of the problem.